Hello, this is Nindy Kerr from Nindy's Creative Corner. Today we are going to make another alternative paper pumpkin card using the July 2026 Hooray for Birthdays kit. We're choosing this background, this card base, and we'll go ahead and crease it. Okay, there. Now we will start decorating our little card front. Now I've had trouble getting some of the inner pieces out of, especially the birthday. So I'm going to try something and press down really hard with my little thin scoring tool. So hopefully they will stay in well, so that they will pull out of the, I guess I forgot this little bee here. Might as well do the happy too. Oh, now that one just peeled right out. Maybe that's what I should do, is try to peel them out first. Well, I've not had trouble with the Y's. It's much quicker than trying to poke them out before. After you've peeled them off. My fingers got so sticky. And I haven't had trouble with that, and it's large enough. Okay, so we'll peel off our happy. And we will try to center it. And then do our birthday. Oh, so much easier than oh, that T isn't wanting to come out, so we'll go the opposite way. There we go. Alrighty, so hold on to the B and the Y. And it's okay if the Y hangs off the edge. There we go. Now let's add some flowers. And we'll add this up at the top. Probably should have glued it on first, but oh well. So these three here, we don't want any glue on. Guess I should remove the cap first. And we will just put glue on the back of the rest of the leaves. You're supposed to use the little glue dots that come in the kit, but I'm not very coordinated with those. the back of this one we did. So we'll just rub it off. There we go. And we will glue on our flowers. Where did I lose my purple one? So as long as you don't go to the edge of these two, we'll be fine. Okay, there we go. And we'll add some little flower centers. Actually, we'll use the large ones. Okay, good. Now it's time to glue it to our card front. So we want it centered. And hold on to this side and bend it back. Try not to move it. And the good thing about glue is you can adjust it later. Okay. I'll see if it's still straight before we press it down. And centered. There we go. And perfect. All right, now we're going to stamp. We'll do our words first on the banner. Oops, that one was really crooked. We'll just switch it to the back. Okay, there, it turned out nicely. And we will stamp some flowers. This one's the big flower. So about in the center and at the edges. And we'll do the small flower. And we'll do them up a little bit. Oops. Let's see if we can fix that. Yeah, good enough. Okay, there we go. We'll put some Stampin' Dimensionals on the back of our thing. Make sure we get the straightest one. I like how they make it so it's just barely wide enough for a Stampin' Dimensional, although they included minis in the kit. So what happens when you get your Stampin' Dimensional so it sticks out where it's not supposed to? You just cut it off. Oh, you forgot to add the extra little flowers. Make sure it's on straight. Hopefully I'm showing you. And let's add our extra little flowers. I'm getting those little inside pieces of my letters all over the place. And we'll put this one opposite of our other hydrangea hue one. And this pink one. And we'll use some really tiny flower centers. Well, maybe we should use the medium ones. I think we'll change our mind. Use the ones that are a little bit larger. And I guess we lost our eye for our birthday, so we'll use a flower center for that too. Guess I got some adhesive there. Oh well, I'll clean it off later. So looks like I got that on crooked. There we go. So, an easel card will form a lovely little triangle when it's standing up. And you won't see those other two flowers except for when it's flat. But it's a nice, it looks nice. So, have fun with your paper pumpkin kit this month. And if you want a subscription, please, there's a link in the description below. Or on my blog post, there's a button you can click and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.